Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to install Intellij through the JetBrains toolbox. To get started, you should open your preferred web browser, search up JetBrains Toolbox, and click on this link. Now go ahead and download the app and install it for your platform. JetBrains Toolbox is a toolset that allows you to install, update, and uninstall JetBrains tools. After it's installed, you should open JetBrains Toolbox and click Install on Intellij IDEA Community. Now that Intellij is installed, click the icon to open it. Do not import settings, and now you customize Intellij. I personally like the dark yellow theme, and you can just skip the remaining and set defaults. Congratulations, you installed Intellij.